this is Dr. Robinson, and this is for families who have parents who are adapting work for their child because it's after school, they're in college, and no one else is quite sure how to do this, and this is for transcribers in school. So this is information on Venn diagrams, and I'm just going to do one image just so you understand how to do this. So I can already tell you when it's shaded as this, so you have a large circle and then a smaller circle within a square, and all of these are shaded. This is going to look more or less kind of like garbage. Let me go down to one I kind of already did, a Venn diagram, pretty popular for teachers to use. So let me move this into position. So you can see it's going to come out really blurry. And when you move this into Tiger Designer, it's going to be a mush of information. So I'm going to do a Control E here, which is going to allow me to, excuse me, Control C. Okay, and let's go ahead and go to Tiger Designer. And I don't have it open yet, so I'm going to hit Tiger Designer and open it. I'm going to do a Control N for a new document, and all of my defaults are set up already for 11.5 by 11. And I'm going to paste, Control V, this in, and you can see it's a big ball of blur. And that's because all of those are shaded. So as soon as you see a diagram that's shaded, it is going to take more work to adjust this than to just draw this out correctly. So we're going to do two circles and we're going to put the information in here really quickly. And I'm going to assume that because a lot of parents may not know the contractions, you do not need to know the contractions. Kids know how to read uncontracted, and these are just for labels. So I'm going to just do a Control N. Okay, and I've got my bitmap properties over here, so I'm going to close that, and then I'm just going to do a Control N for a new document. It's going to say, do you want to save it? And I'm going to do Alt N for no. Okay, and I'm going to say yes. Now, I'm going to draw two circles. I'm going to draw a Venn diagram. I'm going to go up to my Tools menu, and I'm going to go down to first, line width. I can tell you one is typically not thick enough to clearly delineate between your information. 2.5 or 3, once again, you're going to ask the student what really works best for them. I'm going to choose 2.5 this time. And I also want to do circles. So I'm going to go back up to Tools, and I'm going to see Draw Oval. Well, guess what? It's a circle. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and draw my circle out. Make it large enough because, of course, you've got to put information in there. I'm going to go up to my tool and draw another one, draw a tool. And remember, you're just basically giving the student an idea of what a Venn diagram feels like, and then they can fill it out however they want. So once again, I'm going to go back to the design. We need doctors here. We need, and I can't read that. That's how bad that is. So I'm going to go back here and, oh yeah, doctors and women. There you go. And if it's bad for you to read, guess what? It's going to be identical for the student. So now I'm going to go ahead and go back to Tool, and here's my Braille label. And I need X right there, right? I'm going to hit OK. You can increase that size, but remember, they're reading it with their fingers, so I don't really suggest playing with that. You need them to be able to read those labels. Tool, Braille label. This was doctors. Okay, doctors, and of course you can hit Enter. And this over here, we're going to go over here now, and this was women, a Braille label. I'm going to put my T over here. And this is women. Once again, kids know how to read uncontracted. Don't worry about that. Voila. And of course, it has a title, as I recall, and it's Men Who Are Not Doctors. Okay. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to go Tool, Braille label up here. And it's going to be Men Who Are Not Doctors. Okay, and voila. This is ready to go. And you're going to Control P. And of course, that's my embosser. Your embosser should show up here. As soon as I hit print, it will all come out beautifully. Make sure emboss only Tiger. Your printer model is in there. Check your properties just to make sure they're correct, but it prints out or embosses out beautifully, but Control P does it. That is how parents who are trying to make these diagrams accessible to their child, or transcribers who are in school districts, that's how you can very quickly make these beautiful designs so your student or child will understand how to do Venn diagrams. Okay, that's how you do it, and we'll talk to you later for more lessons. Bye.